Yes, be ready. Start. The Aam Aadmi Party today withdrew a special leave petition filed before the Supreme Court which seeking the allotment of space in the national capital for its office stop. The withdrawal was made on the grounds that the Delhi High Court is now hearing the matter stop. The SLP was filed against the High Court's refusal of an early hearing of the case stop. Senior advocate A.M. Singhvi, appearing on behalf of AAP, mentioned that the single judge bench of the High Court has been continuously hearing the matter stop. However, he requested that liberty be granted to approach the High Court in the event of an unfavorable outcome stop. I must commend the learned single judge is hearing it on 14th, 15th and again on Monday stop. So I will withdraw it stop. But your lordships may record the liberty to come before you because lordship's original order of 4th of March is of 3 learned judges stop. I land up here again in the vacation bench cannot hear it. The bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Manoj Mishra also allowed the withdrawal and granted liberty to the National Party to pursue the appropriate legal remedies as requested by Singhvi. Senior advocate Mr. A.M. Singhvi submits that there are instructions to withdraw the SLP in view of the pending cases before the single bench of the Delhi High Court stop. We permit the withdrawal of the SLP and in terms of the request made before this court we grant liberty to the petitioner to adopt appropriate proceedings in accordance with law in the event the petitioner is aggrieved by the ultimate outcome of the proceedings before the High Court stop. The Delhi High Court in December 2023 issued notice on a plea moved by Aam Aadmi Party seeking direction on the union government to allot suitable land to it, being a recognized political party, preferably in centrally located areas free from encroachments in the national capital for construction of its offices for national and Delhi state units stop. Aam Aadmi Party has placed reliance on a memorandum issued by the centre in 2006 prescribing allotment of land up to 500 square meters to all national political parties having up to 15 members of parliament in both houses stop. The memorandum also provides for an additional allocation of land up to 500 square meters for Delhi state units where the National Party has representation in the Delhi state legislature stop. The plea seeks a direction on the union government to ensure that the land so allotted to it is preferably in centrally located areas in the national capital and free from encumbrances and encroachments so that the construction for office space may be commenced immediately. Stop.